Hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to deposit money on Pocket Option with Coinbase. First, choose the cryptocurrency you want to use. Go to the left menu in Pocket Option, click Binance, and then select Deposit. Next, pick the cryptocurrency or deposit method you wish to use, making sure it's compatible with Coinbase. For example, if you want to transfer Bitcoin to Pocket Option, you'll need to send it from your Coinbase account. Open Coinbase, and if you haven't bought Bitcoin yet, purchase some, as you'll need it for this process. Once ready, click Transfer in Coinbase, then select Send Crypto. You'll be prompted to enter the crypto address where you want to send the funds. Switch back to Pocket Option, select the same cryptocurrency, for example, Bitcoin, and enter the amount you want to deposit. Click Continue and Pay. Scroll down to find your wallet address, crypto address. Copy this address and paste it into Coinbase. Then, select the asset and complete the transfer to deposit the cryptocurrency into Pocket Option. Important tips: always use the same cryptocurrency throughout the process. Double-check the wallet address if it's incorrect. Your cryptocurrency could be permanently lost. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.